Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the previous lectures, we have discussed that what is intelligence, what are the types of intelligence, and we learned there are two types of intelligence. One is natural intelligence and another is artificial intelligence. By natural intelligence, we means intelligence of human being and intelligence of animals. Then we discussed different forms of human intelligence, and later on we compared the human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. And we discussed the differences in terms of the origin of intelligence, learning process, flexibility, emotional understanding, creativity, speed, and accuracy, then ethical and moral judgment, and lastly, the evolution. Today, what if I told you that artificial intelligence is already making decisions about your life? What you watch, what you buy, and even how you are diagnosed at the hospital. AI is not just about robots or chatbots. It is everywhere, predicting weather, fighting cybercrime, and even composing music. Imagine waking up in a world where AI knows your preferences better than you do, handles your daily tasks, and even makes ethical choices. Sounds futuristic? Well, that future is already here. Welcome to today's vlog. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal Farooqi, and today we are diving deep into artificial intelligence, its types, techniques, applications, and the ethical dilemmas we must address. By the end of this video, you will understand not only how AI works, but also where it is leading us. Will AI be our greatest tool or a challenge to human ethics? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As mentioned in the intro, we shall discuss types, techniques, applications, and ethical considerations of artificial intelligence in our today's vlog. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to perform tasks that typically require human cognitive abilities. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, perception, and decision making. What are the types of artificial intelligence? There are three types, and these include narrow artificial intelligence, which is also called weak artificial intelligence. Then general artificial intelligence, which is a strong artificial intelligence. And the third type is that of super artificial intelligence. Let's understand what does these mean. We start from the narrow artificial intelligence, which is a weak artificial intelligence. It specializes in specific tasks, such as facial recognition. In your mobile phone, the facial recognition ability, then language translation, and recommendation systems. All these comes under the domain of narrow artificial intelligence. As said, examples are Siri, Google Translate, and recommendation along algorithms like those on Netflix. Then comes the general artificial intelligence, which is strong. And what does this mean? It's a hypothetical form of artificial intelligence that possesses human-like intelligence and the ability to perform any intellectual task. It's still under research and development, and the full form of general artificial intelligence yet to come. Then comes the super artificial intelligence. This is an advanced form of artificial intelligence, surpassing human intelligence in all fields. This is theoretical and raises concerns about control and ethics. So after understanding the three types of artificial intelligence, the narrow, general, and super, let's understand what are the techniques used in artificial intelligence. These are machine learning, then the deep learning, and natural language processing, NLP, the computer vision. Let's understand what does these techniques mean. First, we start from the machine learning. What is it? The AI in this form of technique, the AI learns patterns from data to make predictions or decisions. You put data into it, and the pattern of data are analyzed by the artificial intelligence, and then it makes predictions and decisions. It includes supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Then comes the deep learning of artificial intelligence. This technique, it's a subset of machine learning, and it uses artificial neural networks to process large amounts of data and recognize complex patterns. So it's a more advanced form of machine learning, and deeply it processes the data and it recognizes the complex patterns which are missed by the initial or machine simple learning. For example, image recognition and natural language processing. So these all comes under the deep learning of artificial intelligence. Then comes the third technique, that is the natural language processing, or NLP. The natural language processing, it enables machines to understand and generate human language. And you must have seen and heard the videos on social media where using artificial intelligence, they generate the image and even generate the voice of that very particular person. For example, chatbots and voice assistants. These are also the natural language processing. You talk to your Siri, you talk to your chat GPT, and they discusses with you. They makes conversation with you. Then comes the computer vision, the fourth technique. Computer vision focuses on enabling machines to interpret and analyze visual data from the world. For example, self-driving cars, you don't put data into that. They analyze, they see, they visualize the data from the world, and then they analyze it, see the pattern, complex patterns, and then they decide Facial recognition, this is another one. Your mobile apps, they open when they see or they recognize your face. They don't open on the unfamiliar face. So, how we can apply artificial intelligence? Now, this discussion brings us to this point. In healthcare, we can apply artificial intelligence in healthcare by in diagnosing diseases, drug delivery, and personalized treatment. All these have become possible with AI in healthcare decision making and proceedings. In finance, for example, fraud detection, AI can detect fraud, the algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. All these can be done by using artificial intelligence. Then retail, the personalized recommendations, inventory management, and chatbots. All these are the applications, practical applications of artificial intelligence in our daily life. Then comes the transportation, self-driving cars, and traffic management. All these are another applications of AI in our daily life. And entertainment, the content recommendations and AI-generated media. The whatever your preferences are, the artificial intelligence offers you those choices of the same pattern, and even it can generate the media for you. So the next point is ethical implications in artificial intelligence. And these are very, very important. And these are the question of the upcoming days regarding artificial intelligence and humans. Bias. AI can inherit bias from the data it is trained on. This is very important. So whatever data has been put into it, it creates a bias on that. Then privacy, use of personal data in AI application raises privacy concerns, and this is very, very important. How much the personal data can be remained safe? This is a question. Then comes the accountability. Who is responsible for decisions made by AI system? In the previous days, I have heard the news where a young chap committed suicide, and all the techniques, all the ways were suggested to him by the chat GPT. And then they had filed a case against that chat GPT administration. Then this was the chat GPT who helped that chap to commit the suicide. So this is again, who will be responsible? So the key takeaways from today's discussions are: understanding these aspects is essential to grasp AI's capabilities, limitations, and impact on society. AI is no longer science fiction. It is shaping industries, revolutionizing healthcare, and transforming the way we live. From machine learning and deep learning to real-world applications in medicine, finance, and automation, AI is a game changer. But with great power comes great responsibility. We know that. AI ethics, privacy, and job displacements are challenges we must address. Will AI remain a powerful tool in human hands, or could it one day overgrow our control? As AI continues to evolve, how do we ensure it serves humanity instead of replacing it? So I end here. See you in the next vlog. If you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I would love to hear your thoughts. Do you see AI as a benefit or a potential risk? Drop your opinions in the comments sections below. If you found this video insightful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more discussions on AI, technology, and the future. AI is powerful, but it's up to us to shape its future. Let's ensure it remains a tool for innovation, not a threat to humanity. See you in the next video on the evolution of artificial intelligence from simple rules to cosmic consciousness. Till then, take care. Khuda Hafiz.